our product, so Overledger is our technology. So Overledger is an API gateway that allows anyone to build and benefit from a multi-DLT solution. So you don't have to be picking one or another blockchain. You can use all of them with our technology.
Hi, it's Mind Crypto here. I hope we're having a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are in the world.
Remember, this isn't financial advice. Always do your own research.
Today we're talking about Quant. We're currently ranked at 39. We're sitting at that $101 mark, that slow decline, but I'm not worried because I'm holding this for the long term, and I will let you know my reasons as we go through in a moment. So we are up 0.2 in the hour, down 0.2 in the day, down 4.3 in the week, and we are up 0.7 in the month. Current market cap is 1.22 billion, slightly down from last week, and a 24-hour volume of 11,700,000. So I saw this from the Bank of International Settlements. CBDCs are coming. More than 80% of central banks see potential value in having both a retail CBDC and a fast payment system, according to the latest BIS survey of central banks on the CBDCs and crypto. As you can see here, most central banks see value in having both retail CBDC and a fast payment system. And you can see as a percentage of respondents conducting the work on CBDCs, and as you can see here, the evidence is quite paramount. So another tweet here from Tokenizer, and I thought it was quite a good tweet. And at this point, he doesn't even care if Quant makes him money or not. The gains from utility of Overledger will just be a plus. I just want to see it succeed because people are hating on it for whatever reasons. And someone said, Fibonacci said, CBD support is a problem with Quant. Okay, yeah, I can see people's dislike with regards to it being a institutional asset. Dominic Giachetti said, so what? CBDCs are coming regardless of what you or he thinks. So why not invest and profit? My thoughts entirely. And I've been saying this all along. This is also only one use case that Quant can solve. Arguably, one of the biggest use cases for Quant is Overledger, but still only one of its use cases. There are other massive verticals like healthcare that Quant Network offers in utility. Now, this could be anything from, the fourth largest employer in the world, which is the NHS. They are in dire need for something to solve the issues that they pertain within the system of the NHS. We have a tweet here from San. Building means nothing if you don't have end users. Look at Chainlink. Services integrated for 2,000 apps, but little utility. One huge world client can bring more utility than 1,000 crypto dApps combined. There is so much rubbish out there. Find the utility clients. Now, there's been a lot of toing and throwing between, the Chainlink crowd and the Quant community. And I get it, Chainlink is a great coin, but it doesn't compare to Quant with its utility, with its institutional value in respect to what it actually does. And San is quite right. You could have loads of developers developing everything from dApps and the rest of it, but real world utility is everything. And as we see here with regards to Project Leonardus, exploring a DLT-based wholesale CBDC within the Spunter network. Spunter Banker DLT is only application based on distributed ledger technology in production on an entire national banking sector. And as we can see here, Quant Overledger integration on Sia Chain confirmed again by the consultancy group involved in 2022. 600 super nodes in Europe, central banks. ICYM Sia Chain is built on R3 Corda, Private ETH, and Hyperledger. 600 nodes. How many nodes does your favorite project have? And you can see here where Gilbert Verdian refers to Spunter. Great project for financial institutions we're working in the right space to be able to deliver to a sector at scale. Spunter is only one banking application. There are many more in the pipeline to run on the Sia chain, an interoperable, thorough overledger. So another massive use case for Quant. They are aligning themselves with the right institutions. And it's funny because I used to think that adoption was, things like BTC getting accepted by, say, Tesla, or, maybe Walmart accepting, Bitcoin. And, the price goes up on that silly sort of, accusation almost. And, thinking of like, Elon Musk saying something about Bitcoin and the price will go up, and then obviously that'll have an effect on the rest of the market. But over time, I become to understand it's adoption that is the main application, the main utility. If you think of Quant being used by the BIS, becomes a CBDC pilots, XRP used for interbank transactions, or, DAG used for DoD security, or Casper, CSPR used in IP tokenizing, and the list goes on. But, obviously, as you do more research, you start to realize that it's going in one direction, and that will be institutional first, followed by the retail later. So there you go, guys. Just a small bit of news for you. Keep your chin up. And remember, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research. All the best, and I will catch you later.
Remember, this isn't financial advice. Always do your own research.